black pepper. Do you struggle to find spices in your spice cabinet? Or have 50 bottles of open paprika? Well, keep on watching and I'll show you how I turn my spice cabinet from this to this. All right, so the organizer or the spice shelf that I'm going to use is from Spicy Shelf. So, and this is from As Seen on TV, and it's a stackable cabinet organizer. And it contracts, it expands, it stacks, it has multiple heights. It says it holds up to 64 containers or more, easy to install, and it's freestanding. So let's see how easy this is gonna be. It's plastic. So I got these jars, glass spice jars from Amazon, and I believe the one that I had 36 in it. I'll link the, I'll put the link in the description box. And it also came with the pre-printed stickers. And I have a silver Sharpie because it has blank stickers and the pre-printed ones, but I think I probably have every spice that's probably on here. So I think I'm gonna go ahead with the pre-printed labels. It also comes with funnel, and then the lid comes with different like pouring options, like smaller holes, bigger holes, lid. And I also got this oil dispenser. I got 2 of them. Probably order some more, but I got one for olive oil and one for canola oil. I also cook a lot with sesame oil and like a stir-fry oil, so I may get 2 more for those, but I really love these. And this is the spout pours this way. Pretty cool. Got this from Amazon too, so again, I will put the link in the description below. So right here, I begin to pour the spices into each jar. Thanks for getting organized with me. I hope this inspires you to get in there and clean out your cabinets too, honey. Anyway, all of the links for the products that I use will be in my description box. If you like this, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until my next video, bye.
Corvette. Wait, are you recording?